This is not the second highest bungee jumping anymore. This is in third place. First is in China at 260 meters, then in Macau at 233 meters, then in Nepal at 228 meters.
Okay, are you ready,
Ready?
brother? Okay, countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Hello people, welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today is the 31st of December 2024, the last day of 2024. And guess what? Guess what I'm doing on the last day of 2024? I'm going to bungee jump from the second tallest bungee jump in the world. It's in Nepal. It is of Kusma. I don't know the name exactly. Once I go there, I will tell you the names and details. So yeah, we're supposed to be ready by 7:30. We had some laundry day today. All the laundry is up there. I'm here at the same place. I'm here at Lake Mahal. So this is where we were checked in when we when we landed for the trek here. So, you know, it was quite affordable. So, it is pretty decent. No issues. Only thing is Yatish has issue with hot water problems. The water is quite cold here. So, even if you turn the geyser on and let the water out, I think it comes out for a few minutes and it's cold again. Today is kind of a foggy day. A lot of fog. That is Feva Lake. So we're just 2 buildings away from Feva Lake entrance. Okay. Okay, my breakfast is ready. I have to go. Nothing much. Bread toast, gurung bread, omelette, boiled eggs. This only.
ಹಿಂದೆ ರಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು
ಏನು This is the vehicle which has come to pick up the Cliff from the Cliff Nepal. We are off to Bungee. Only 2 of us here. I don't know, we might have other people to be joining us in some time.
Yeah.
ये electric है ना?
हाँ ये भी
कितना सीटर है? 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 9
व्हीकल वेरी कंफर्टेबल है
13.
व्हीकल वेरी कंफर्टेबल है
Okay.
एंड वेरी स्क्विजी भी है बहुत जोर से भागता है
कितना 15 लोग बैठ सकते हैं इसमें?
हाँ
आप इसलिए का मिनी ट्रक होंगे.
ये तो मिनी ट्रक है
ये चाइना से है क्या गाड़ी?
ये हाँ हाँ
Chinese electric vehicle is ruling Nepal roads. कितना देर लगेगा यहाँ से?
2 घंटे
2 घंटे.
यस
Okay. We reached the cliff. This is where the bungee happened. There's a parking lot. We will be here until 2. This is their entrance. You have a welcome to the Sky Bridge board, the cliff. Namaste. Okay. First, do the formalities. There are a lot of formalities. They'll check your weight and baggage. They'll give you a locker. All that. I'll explain to you in detail. 228 meters down, 520 meters wide Sky Bridge, and it happens there. So I'll just tell you what happened until now. We came in here, we were picked up from our hotel. He drove us here. It is about 1.5 hours drive from our hotel. After that, there is one washroom break. He will force you to go to the washroom. Okay? Once he forces you to go to the washroom. So that you don't poop into the river. That is one thing. After that, you come in. They will check your weight. And they will write it down like this. I have lost close to 5 kilos, which is disappointing, but yeah. After the weight check, you have to fill in a consent form with your details, and then enter your email ID and phone number in a tab for your video. You will be provided with a video, a t-shirt, pick up and drop, and a bungee. There are other activities here as well. Someone's calling. And we're actually walking towards our bungee point, but our slot is at 12. So it is quite crowded here. This is at 228 meters. And you know what's the best part? This is considered the second tallest bungee in the world, and the first one is in Macau, which is at 233 meters, which I googled. You can check. And yeah, we have Shivam and Anup also. It was a surprise to find Shivam in the same bungee group in the morning doing pickup.
ABC is not yet over.
ABC is not yet over for us. We're still high with the mountains.
Yeah. No, but this suspension bridge is better than the last one.
Yeah. This is actually more safer, you feel, no?
You feel safer. There it was like, bro, I am not going over there on the bridge.
This has got a lot of protective layers, a higher cable.
Yes. Also, this is thicker.
It doesn't shake that much.
How long is this? What's your name?
Heyman.
How long is this bridge? 550 meters, right?
No.
50 meters is too long.
Is the width span something there written
Maybe
something?
the height of the bridge.
Height is 228. Yeah, width should be, because they're written 550, right? So we've reached the point where you have Sky Cycle, Sky Cafe, Sky Gliding, and the world's highest swing is also here. No cameras inside the bridge, wallets, bags, sunglasses, smoking, nothing. Okay, way to resort. Now what? Hardly another 40 minutes.
उधर 12 बजे बोला.
Clean, okay? Nothing with you, okay? That time, okay?
Can you wear the jacket or not?
Yes, you can wear, but no mobile, no chain,
No
okay?
this and no this.
No watch, yes.
No ring?
watch, no watch, no ring, nothing.
But watch has a like
अरे हाँ हाँ
bungee jumping model, so
No, but there is sharpness, okay? So
also it can hit me. नहीं पहनना मॉडल के लिए
You have to have nothing, no chain, no watch, no mobile, no rings. What is it? Coats you can wear. No glasses तो नहीं होगा. Coats you can wear actually. Zip it up, and since they strap you around, it's okay. This is the reception here on this side of the bridge. It's nice. You come. We registered our names. They gave us a time slot. It's 12:20. On the other side of the bridge it is 12. Here it is 12:20.
No, they also saying 12:40 sometime ago.
Bus.
Now the 2 makes sense. Now the 2 o'clock makes sense.
Now the 2 o'clock makes sense.
The guy knew better.
Yeah. The guy knew much better.
आगे जाने के
हाँ.
बाद पीछे मत ले आना भाई.
हाँ,
ओके
done.
थोड़ा हाथ ऊपर करो, चेस्ट आउट करो.
Lovely, nice brother.
रुको भाई.
Wait, on my countdown.
Guys, look. भाई.
I'm ready.
Okay, are you ready,
Ready.
brother? Okay, countdown. 3, 2, 1, bungee.
That was awesome. I did one turn. I don't know how that happened. It went up. Nothing is not coming down. That's how we finished 2024. Yeah, baby.
आगे पकड़ो भाई जी
Yes.
मुंडी अंदर दोनों हाथ से पकड़ो भाई
हाँ.
हिलना मत
Kelo, done with bungee jumping here. It was awesome. First time experience. It was cool. After that, basically, you have a lot of other activities as well. You have the wall climb, sky cycle. There is a sky cafe as well. What else? There are lots actually. You can Google the Cliff Nepal. You will get this entire details. I mean, if you Google the Cliff Nepal, you will get all details regarding the activities here. It's a very nice setup. It's really good. Yeah, pick up and drop. There are activities. It's a resort basically. You have stay here. And on 31st night, they even have live of Prakash Saput, some Nepali singer. Very nice. So New Year's Eve is going to be a blast here. So they have offers as well. Now I did the first bungee. So within a year, anytime I come for the next bungee, I will get it 50% off. Even if I want to do the next one, it is 50% off. After that, 75% off, and then fourth one is free. Something like that is there. Where are we having?
I don't think he'll be coming anytime soon.
Who?
Because he's waiting for other people who are having.
I'm hungry, dude. Either we'll have here or we'll go there.
We'll just tell them and go.
Whom?
That guy, have a driver.
Okay, we'll have to inform our van driver that, I mean, the drop off, they only do the pickup and drop off, right? We'll have to inform that we are hungry. It's 2 o'clock. It takes time, but you have to wait in queue. They have to actually brief you. Everything was done well. Well maintained. They have this nice bar counter cafe. Nice food as well.
Hello.
And you know what? This was the first place where the food was served fastest in this entire trip for us. It was nice. You know? Okay. I like this place. Would always recommend the cliff even for your stay. It's quite far from the city, but it's nice. Oh, there's someone just jumped. This is too cool. You just shouldn't look down when jumping. That is all. That is what they say. When you look down, the fear kicks in. Just keep looking straight. Listen to the instructions, the briefing. He'll do it thrice actually. He'll brief you once. Once you're strapped up, he will ask you to repeat that process of 3 steps basically. 3 bounces, and then unhook your legs. Automatically you will set up. Signal, he'll pull you up. I mean, clamp, signal, pull up. It was easy, it was nice. Okay, sun is here, so no light. Sorry. Oh, someone's ziplining as well. That's also quite far. You keep going downhill. Oh, they're going across the river. That is cool. That was also nice. Going across the river on a zipline. From a height all the way down there. The zipline, bungee, swing, sky cycling, sky cafe, and climb. Anything else I left out? Anything else I left out?
That's it.
About 5 activities, 5, 6. There's a resort. You can come stay here, spend 2 nights, enjoy. Only thing is, you will not have access to the city. City is quite far from here. It's about hour and a half or 2 hours drive. So that is one thing you will have to work out. If you want to go stay in the city, then you just have to come here, visit and go. They have transport service as well, right? So not an issue. Charega. It was good. And yeah, you have to pre-book this bungee because per day they have about 120 slots. Once that is full, then you can't. So if you come from there and you don't get your slot, it's pointless. So make sure you pre-book before you're coming. The pricing is 10,000 NPR per head for one bungee jump. They will give you a t-shirt as well. I think I've told all this earlier. We just googled about the highest bungee jumping point in the world, and we just found out that this is not the second highest bungee jumping anymore. This is in third place. First is in China at 260 meters, then in Macau at 233 meters, then in Nepal at 228 meters.
So they have to change all the advertisements they have put up here. saying
entire
this is the
Nepal,
second,
it is there.
highest.
Throughout Nepal, wherever you go on this Pokhara to Lower Mustang Road, no, you will find numerous boards which will say second highest, second highest. I think they need to change that. It's time they change it. Here it is. Where's yours? Yeah, we got our certificates. And once you walk out of this gate, it's done. We'll take photos and then go. So world's highest sky cafe, 255 meters, giant ping, family ping, wall climbing, sky chair, wishing hand, crazy bridge, world's highest tandem swing. They have cottages. As I said, it's not the second highest. Bungee, then world's highest swing. There are lots. We have one more subscriber also.
Like an influencer. Me?
Not that much, don't worry.
I mean, getting there.
Getting there, yeah. And so like that, we spent an entire day to just jump out of one bridge. We started at 10,000 NPR per head for one bungee jump. What is the time now?
Time should be somewhere around 5:30.
Let me check it. Yeah, it is 5:15. Morning 7:45. He came, picked us up. Now since the street is closed, he dropped us off there and he went. Street festival is going on now, so he has to come take a U-turn, which he didn't want to do. Like, okay, fine. We had to buy banana anyway. We found nice banana there. I think that much for today. As usual, street party will keep going on. Noisy. I have shared stories of that. I think I've made 2 or 3 videos also. If anything interesting, I will post. Watch out. Stay tuned. Until the next one, take care and stay safe.